Hey folks, Ali Flores here with OrlandoVacation.com. Alright, with so many theme parks in Orlando area, it can be difficult for guests with special needs to remember which park has which restrictions and special access pass. The majority of attractions and rides at Florida's Legoland are handicapped accessible, and hero passes can help you avoid waiting in lines. Let's take a deeper look to get you the information you need before your trip. But before we get into all of that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified when these awesome videos pop up. Okay, let's get into Legoland. When you arrive at Legoland, your first step should be to grab a park map. On it, you'll find detailed information about which rides are ADA accessible for guests in wheelchairs or with other special needs. At the entrance of every ride, you'll see a board labeled, "Let's have fun and be safe," which will give you information on what safety restrictions apply to each ride. Almost all rides at Legoland are wheelchair accessible, with the exceptions. The exceptions are Safari Trek, Coastersaurus, the Dragon, and AquaZone Wave Racers. The staff at Legoland, referred to as model citizens, are ready, willing, and able to help with specific access to special ride compartments. It's against company policy to lift you into or out of a ride. However, your family members and helpers are likely much more informed about your unique needs and conditions and are therefore better suited to help anyway. For that reason, Legoland prefers that those needing special assistance or help into or out of an attraction ride with someone who can help. In the event of an emergency or ride evacuation, the help you need will be right there with you. If you have a hearing disability, then you'll be glad to learn that Legoland has you covered there too. You'll find special accommodations available in the park. The best way to make sure you have access to these special accommodations is to contact guest services at least 2 weeks before your visit. They can be reached at 1-877-350-LEGO. Legoland really goes the extra mile to make it as easy as possible for you to enjoy their parks. You'll find their Guests with Disabilities brochure within the park. It details every ride and what's required from riders. For example, for the Junior Fire Academy, the brochure says a slow-moving ride that travels in a circular direction. Guests must be able to sit upright and transfer from a wheelchair to a ride. A helper is recommended. Disability access is via the exit. If you need more information on Legoland or just need help planning for your next trip, go to OrlandoVacation.com and we will be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye, everybody.